With their accessories and software, cobots can safely work hand in hand with humans. When cobots detects humans within its environment, it slows down to provide protection. In contrast, industrial robots must be tightly sealed off from people to ensure their safety. Cobots have rounded, safe shapes and a range of features to ensure human interaction. They are referred to as human-focused robots. Cobots are equipped with assorted human collaboration features such as controlled stopping, shutdown, speed and position monitoring, manual steering, restricted power and force, and signal lights. Subscribe to our channel. You will see how to robotize large, medium, and small enterprises. Contact us. We offer top-quality robots and a comprehensive service.